So, you're very welcome to another episode of Vitesse, and you can see the beginning part of this video. I was working on the central fuse box. It's the only fuse box, so I just called it a fuse box. The only other thing is a relay tray underneath where the footwell is on the driver's side. But yeah, so I was working on that, plugging in the various different plugs. They are color coded, but you can't actually see where they go on it. So luckily enough, I had an old photograph of the old fuse box I had where I'd labeled everything, so that kind of saved me a bit there. Moving on from that, I was working on the scuttle panel, which you've seen just there. I put the new scuttle panel, which I got from Audi Tradition, nice and clean, because the old one is very, very brittle, and it can be hard to get them in good condition, but it's an OEM part directly from Audi Tradition in Ingolstadt, so I highly recommend that. I'll put a part number below, so you can find the part easily enough. Moving on from that, after this little clip, you'll see me working on the interior. That is the biggest part of the video, and the hardest part of the work I've been doing so far in the car, the carpet. The original carpet's from 1985, and it's obviously, naturally enough, it's old, it's worn out, and it's time for changing the carpet. So I was trying to find the original carpet. I've had a bit of difficulty. Possibly I'll find one down the line, and maybe somebody here watching this might know somebody that has a left-hand drive carpet. Doesn't matter what color, by the way, I'll take any color that's going. But if you have an original carpet, I'd definitely be interested. Because you'll see on the rest of this video how much of a challenge it's been. I've been working the last couple of weeks on this carpet in the evenings and weekends, and it's not easy because the old carpet's molded, it's molded a shape, and then you have to cut and try and match where the rails go, where the gear selector goes, where the handbrake goes, and I've been measuring and so on. And look, you'll see the rest of this video. I'll let you see what you think. Drop a comment below as well, and see what you think. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. You might be wondering why on earth is he using planks of wood and a bucket, but the bucket's to mimic the gearbox and the plank of wood is to mimic the line in the floor. It's like a support bar right in the middle of the floor, and I've put 3 planks in to kind of mimic the height and the width, so I can figure out the length of the carpet that goes around that and around the gearbox, so that way I know where to cut, because if I just leave it flat and cut, it's going to end up completely in the wrong position. So yeah, just kind of using my imagination here to make this work, but still a work in progress, but we're getting there. Okay, so you've seen me matching up the new carpet with the old carpet, laying the new carpet on top of the old carpet, trying to cut it into shape. I don't know if that's the recommended way to go about it, that's just the way I've done it. And this is the video you'll see me doing the work with it. So yeah, I've cut the shape, I've measured up between the rails, the handbrake, where the gear selector is. So I'm going to lay in the old carpet inside the car to help mold the shape, and then place the new carpet on top of the old one, and see then if everything lines up nicely. If it doesn't, back to the drawing board, get a new piece of carpet. I have 2 actually, so I can try again. Hopefully not, because this has taken hours to do. But yeah, the next part of this video, you'll see me fitting the old piece in, then the new piece on top, and seeing if everything works. So hopefully it does. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching that video. You can see where I'm at with the carpet. That's where I'm at currently as this video is being uploaded. Ooh, yes, so it's not finished. I've tried to cut it to shape, all the rest of it. I've laid it now on top. So I put the old carpet inside the car and I've laid the new one on top with the holes cut. And I'm trying to push and stretch and line it up and get it all to match and look nice. And no matter what I do, I go from one side, push that in, try and line that up, maybe cut a little bit more so it sits properly. Then it pulls the other side out of position, and then I'm trying to push that back in. Then this side pops in, like, maybe I should have had that a bit wider. So yes, it's not easy. I'm going to keep trying. I'm going to keep going. I have been told that it is an extremely hard task, and that's why. And you know what? Credit where it's due to people that work with car interiors, whether it's carpets or car trimming, seats, whatever. It is tough work, and I think it's safe to say it's definitely specialist work. But yeah, I'm going to keep going with it. You're going to see another video down the line where I'm going to keep going with it and see. I may or may not use it, but we'll see. I don't know yet. You don't know yet. We'll find out. But thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, we may keep going with this Audi project. Take care for now. Thanks for watching.